This is how to log time in Jira. So from your dashboard, select a project and select a work. This is an issue, for instance, on my project. So I'll just click this login button not working and scroll down. You will see a work log and scroll down. You will see log work. And let's say we have spent 1 week and 2 days. And for a meaning, okay, we'll say 5 days. And we started this on Tuesday at, let's say, 7:30 a.m. For work description, let's say development of login button for whole website. And just click save. So now we have created a work log on our project. So this is how to log time in Jira.